My name is Swapnil, I'm from TherapyBox. Today I'm really excited to talk to you about Predictable for Android. Predictable for Android is inspired by Predictable for Apple devices that we made 2 years ago. In principle, the app is quite similar to the app that you would find on Apple devices, but of course being made on Android devices, it lends itself very well to offer some of the other functionality that is especially dedicated for Android. For benefit of those that aren't so close to Android platform, let me talk you through that a little bit more. Predictable is available on 6 different devices. 2 of them are phones. It's available on the S3 and it's also available on the S4. On the tablet, it's available on 4 devices. They're all Samsung devices. You've got the Tab 7-inch, then you've got the Note 10.1-inch, then you've got the Tab 2 10.1-inch, and then you've got the original Tab 10.1-inch as well. Please do bear in mind it will only work on these 6 devices. Now, Predictable is a text-based communication app. It is especially designed for those who have got good cognitive ability but have lost the ability to speak. Those with motor neuron disease, cerebral palsy, ALS, acquired brain injuries would be an ideal user group for this particular app. I've got Predictable over here. It has got a message window, it's got a word prediction, and then it's got a keyboard as well. The idea is to use either the word prediction or the keyboard to build a message. When the message is on the message box, you can do a variety of different things with it. So let me give you a quick example. If I was to say I live in London, I would say I. Now I've got the next word, which is live. Then I've got in, and I've got London, and I can simply speak it.
I live in London.
It's as simple as that. Of course, the words that are not in the word prediction can be prompted using the keyboard as well. One thing to keep in mind is that this word prediction is self-learning, so it will start to memorize depending on the items that you use quite regularly. So if I was to say, my favorite sport is football, it will actually learn that and produce that when appropriate. Let me show you a few other cool features. Once you've got the message built into the message window, of course you can speak it, but there are a variety of other options available with it as well. So you can add it to a phrase bank, you can email the message out from here directly, you can of course send it to Facebook, you can send it to Twitter, you can copy it, you can paste it, and also you can do instant messaging with it, which I will show you in just a second. You can of course clear last letter, word, or you can clear the whole message out. I will show you a little bit about the phrase bank itself. So you can go into the categories, you can build categories as you please. Inside the categories, you would have some text that is pre-built. Let me clear out what you had before, and now.
Where are you going?
It's as simple as that. You can build your vocabulary as per your choice as well. Now, we have inserted a alert button here. This is to get attention of a member of a family or a carer while you are in that vicinity itself. Now, Predictable is available in a variety of different access methods. You can of course use a direct touch, and you can use the touch anywhere, which uses the benefits of switch access that you would see now. And of course, it also allows you to tap anywhere on screen to make the selection. So for somebody who's got a little bit of movement left in their fingers, can touch absolutely anywhere and then choose that message as simply as that. And if I wanted to speak it,
where are you going? The same.
It is as simple as that. Of course, there are some of the other features and settings as well, which I will show you just right now. One of the cool features of Predictable is its ability to work alongside some of the key settings that you can do. So you can have auditory feedback available, you can actually clear after speak, you can allocate a choice of 13 different voices, 9 Laquendo voices, but also 2 Google and 2 Samsung voices, which are particularly high quality voices. You can customize it, you can change the font size on the window, you can do backups, and you can also have something what we call a instant messaging feature, which I'm really excited about. I will show you how that works. You need two users on the same Wi-Fi network. You simply go on to use and you tap on the Samsung Chord button. You have another device available which has got predictable available on it. You simply go on to use, you tap on Samsung Chord, and then you choose Wi-Fi. You choose Wi-Fi on both. Now they are connected to each other. If I simply say how are you, and I send it,
The same, how are you?
it will come over here, and I can start to say I am fine. I can send it back.
Where are you going? The same, I am fine.
As you can see, that you can actually get the message read out loud for you as well. It is especially suited for a care home environment, or to reach out to your family member who might be in a different part of the same building. As long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, you can do instant messaging as well. One thing that I'm particularly excited to share with you is the ability to use a mouse emulator function along with Predictable. For those that are not so close to the mouse emulator function, let me explain to you how this works. You have got a typical tab 2 over here. You have got a Tracker Pro mounted on it. I'm going to use a silver dot, which is a bit like this. It is simply going to work with the Tracker Pro, which is going to track this silver dot, and as I control the silver dot with my head movement, it will then make that same movement reflect on the screen of the Android tablet as if it's a mouse movement. So, if I was to have this ready in front of me, I simply say,
I think you.
and then I speak it.
I think you.
It is as simple as that. What you're capturing here is the mouse movement on the Android tablet. I'm sure you would have seen the mouse movement on the tablet, and you're simply tracking that based on the head movement. It's especially suitable for those who have very little movement left, or those with severe physical disabilities. It will not only work with Track Pro, but it will also work with the JAWS 2, and it will also work with the head mouse. We have also built in the dwell time, which you can select and make it suitable for your particular need as well. Now, for those who wish to purchase this, you can buy it either from Google Play directly for either the smartphone version or the tablet version, or you can also buy it directly from our website, either for the phone or the tablet version as well. We are continuously looking to improve this app. For benefit of those who are going to need a summary, Predictable is a text-based communication app suitable for those who have good cognitive ability but would like a variety of different options for their communication. It has got self-learning dictionary, 13 different voices. It works with a mouse emulator, so you can use it with a Tracker Pro or similar hardware as well. It works on a range of different devices, and we're continuously looking to improve it. So if you're interested, please come to our website, which is www.therapy-box.co.uk, or you can email us on info@therapy-box.co.uk. We would love to hear from you. If you've got any suggestions, we're the first ones who would like to know. I hope you found it useful, and we would love to hear from you. Thank you very much. Bye.